What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Juan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a gaming chair. This is from HopeRacer. This was sent out to me for review to specifically test out, give my opinions on the chair. This is a sort of a budget gaming chair. You know, some high-end chairs go for like $500 to $1,000. This one retails at around $169, so it's definitely a lot more of a budget friendly gaming chair. But today we're going to be taking a look at the unboxing, the build process, and kind of the features it provides, just to see if perhaps maybe this is a good fit for you or if it may not be. Let me know what you guys think about the chair down below. If you guys have any questions, whatever they may be, drop them in the comments. I always do my very best to answer all of your guys' questions. And again, if you guys want to take a look at the chair, maybe purchase it for yourself, it'll be in the bio down below. But with that said, let's go ahead and hop into the video. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start off with a little bit of a time lapse of me building the chair, which I will say, building the chair itself, it really wasn't that difficult. It took me maybe 15 to 20 minutes tops. As you can see, everything that you need to build this chair comes in the box. It has a separate box, which I'm unboxing there. It has all the little supplies, all the tools that you need to build the chair. But yeah, again, it was super easy. It took me about 15 minutes to complete. Start off with the base of the chair, like almost all gaming chairs. It's pretty sturdy. It feels really like it won't fail on you. I weigh about 186 pounds. I am 6 foot, and I will say it does feel, as I was building it, it did feel as though this would support me no problem. And later we find out that, well, yeah, that is very true. As you can see here, it also comes with a foot, kind of like a stool or a foot rest, I should say, which honestly I really enjoy. It's pretty cool to just kick back and like watch movies or like YouTube videos with the chair. So I really enjoy that part of the chair itself. Again, the build process, it's super easy. I've built actually a good amount of gaming chairs at this point, so I'm kind of already used to it. I don't really have to look at the menu all that much. I will say kind of the hardest part of the build itself, we're putting on those little metal, the ones I'm currently working on. That was the hardest part of the build, to be honest. You just have to like really kind of like push the little metal parts against the chair itself. That way like it grips onto it. But besides that, it's a pretty seamless experience. Even a kid could do this. And even if you've never built a chair yourself, or this is possibly your first time building it, I think you should not really have too much of an issue building it yourself. Alright, so here we have it, the HopeRacer Apex Racing Series gaming chair. Off the bat, it looks really clean. I love how it's like completely all black. It's got that little head pillow right there, just so you can be nice and comfortable when you're laying your head down. Also, it has the little lumbar back support as well. As you can see, the design of it is pretty clean, pretty standard among most gaming chairs. What it does feature, it features here a what do you call this, a little recliner. That way you can rest your feet after a long day of work and you just want to chill, game, maybe watch some movies. You have that. It's pretty easy in, pretty easy out. It slides right in. And the little back cushion, you can connect this to sort of a USB portable charger, and then it actually vibrates. It gives you a little bit of a back massage. So if you're into that, you have that available to use right there. That's the little USB plug you connect it to. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty neat little feature there. And then here you have the armrest. They're not very directional. You can only pretty much use them up and down just to adjust to your height. But yeah, so far I really like how comfortable the chair feels. I do wish kind of like the armrests were a little bit, had more directions. Maybe you can slide them forward and backwards. I think that would make the chair a little better, but you know, it's not too bad. I do like the head cushion. It feels really comfortable. It's kind of like just another standard chair. But what I really love about this chair in particular, of course, it's the little footrest here, because I kind of been wanting a chair with this feature, and you know, I'm just lucky that HopeRacer reached out to me. But yeah, I really like that. Those are some of the things I enjoy. Those are some other things I think could be added maybe for a future release. Next, you do have the little cushion here that you sit on. I will admit, it isn't the most padded chair I've gotten the chance to sit on. I will say you know, for the price, you are getting what you paid for. I do wish that it had a little bit more padding on the chair itself. Not to say that it's not comfortable, but to say that it could be a lot more comfortable with some extra padding on the chair. So far, I've used the chair to browse the internet, edit this video, and of course play some Apex Legends for a few hours. And I will say that I felt pretty comfortable as to pretty much almost all my other chairs, which range from anywhere from $100 to $500. So I think this is a pretty good bang for your buck, especially if you guys are kind of on a budget for the holiday season. So if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend a fortune on a gaming chair for your family members or whatever, I think this is a solid pick. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video here today. Hopefully you guys found that informative. These were just kind of like my general first impressions on the chair. Of course, you got to take in mind it is a budget chair, so you're kind of getting what you pay for. Like I said, high-end chairs go for around $500 to $1,000. So I think for $169, I think this is a pretty good deal, especially with the holidays coming up for your kids or, you know, family, whatever it may be. Again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you guys have any questions, let me know that as well. I do try to answer every single questions you guys may have. But with that, take care, be safe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.